It is highly feasible. This is the real news of our century. It is highly feasible to take care of all of humanity at a higher standard of living than anybody has ever experienced or dreamt of, to do so without having anybody profit at the expense of another, so everybody can enjoy the whole earth, and can all be done by 1985.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a first and very crude paper model of a house designed for industrial reproduction. Its requirements must be that it should be proof against fire, flood, tornado, earthquake, electrical storms, marauders. It must be proof against drudgery. The house is delivered by a service station which makes a round hole in the ground into which goes septic and fuel tank. The maximum height of the house is immediately reached by this mast, and from this point, all the balance of the structure is hung. We are living in a spheroidal universe, around a spheroidal world, not a cubical sugar lump world, despite Mr. Euclid.
Striking development is a revolutionary low-priced home designed by Buckminster Fuller for mass production. With their present potential, the nation's aircraft plants could turn these out at the rate of $2 million a year.
So, Mr. Fuller, why a round house?
Why not? The only reason houses have been rectangular all these years is that is all to do with the materials we had. Now, with modern materials and technology, we can apply to houses the same efficiency of engineering that we apply to suspension bridges and airplanes. Ventilator on top can induce a complete air. And out of the mechanical competence initiated in the power-borne airship comes the birth of our ability to convert our resources to serve not 30% of the population, but the whole of humanity. This is a geodesic dome designed for the United States Marine Corps. They're now in mass production and to be produced for $1,800.
Do you think that the creation of an environment like this will really help groups of people in what you've called living rig? Will it help them to want to create things like the end of wars and the end of poverty, the end of disease?
The wars have always been because there's not enough to go around. So that I don't expect these domes to be psychological persuaders to make people behave a little better. But by doing more with less, we might, instead of being able to take care of only 40% of humanity, we might be able to take care of the 100% of humanity. If we can take care of the 100% of humanity, then the fundamentals of why you have war, which is because there's not enough, seemingly has to be you and me going to be able to survive, then that goes automatically. So that my way of solving the problem of how do we have peace is to ensure that they have enough to go around, which means then upping the performance per pound of the resources, and that's just what this environment control does.